Beautiful. Good afternoon, sir. My Tech Talk title is Introduction to Electrical Drives. Motion control is required in large number of industrial and domestic applications like transportation systems, rolling paper, textile mills, machine tools, fans, pumps, robots, washing machines, etc. Synchronous systems employed for getting the required motion and their smooth gas or system turbines, steam engines, hydraulic motors or electric motors. These are prime movers delivers the required mechanical energy for getting the motion and its control drives employing electric motors as prime movers for motion control are called electric drives. Block diagram of electrical drives and slope where below. The load of the systems like pumps, machines and etc. and mentioned above the carry and specific tasks. Usually the load requirements here specify the terms and its speed torque demands an electrical motor having the torque speed characteristics comparable to that of the load and also choose the figure in below. Okay, power source, power power converter, motor, load, control unit, control unit, Sanjian unit, input to input characteristics of references, figure block diagram of an electrical drive. Advantages of electrical drives. The steady state dynamic performance can be easily shaped to get the desired load characteristics over a wide range of speeds and quads. Efficient starting baking is possible with simple control care. With the rapid development is the field of power electronics and availability of high speed and low speed like CR power MOSFETs and IGBT and design efficient motor converts to speed power of high electronic device has been become simply and easy. With the rapid development in the computers HW, SW, PLC and microcontrollers which can easily perform the control unit functions have become easily available. Electronic motor have high efficiency, low losses and constable and overloading capability resulting in electronic breaking the capability of presenting or depressions of positions of the longer of the positions. Life for the equipment similar regulations breaking results and insulating energy saving. Parts of electric electrical motors. Most commonly used motors are DC motors, shunt series, compound etc. AC motors, surgically slip ring induction motors, special motors like brushless DC motors, stepper motors etc. DC motors have a number of disadvantages compared to induction motors due to the process on comparator and become brushless and spherical cage motors. Air loss mostly can DC motors of usually same rating, highly rugged and simple. The Egret days because easy speed motors and motors were using certain applications, but it is the development power electronics and the advantages of AC motors. AC drives have become more popular in several applications in present days. Low converters. The low converters several types of power converters depending upon the type of motors using a given drive. A brief and a few components of the below. AC and DC converters. They convert signal phase, follow phase and AC supply into the fixed or variable DC supply using either simple or simpler production comparisons and applications. AC voltage controllers or AC regulators. They are employed to get a variable AC voltage or the same frequency from a single phase or three phase supply. Some such controllers are auto transformers which various taps and converters using for electronics devices. DC to AC converters. They are used to get variable DC voltage from a fixed DC voltage source using power electronics devices. Smooth step less variable voltage can be obtained with such converters. So become the using a fans or electronic machines has been most of useful in my life. So precautions are very fast of continuous use of same type of electronic devices type MOSFET IGFET continuous. So very beautiful on the life in devices, electro devices, and SCR motor device used to application definition, addition speed, good and speed regulations and decay sequence, starting, braking and resulting some important applications regarding mill power mills and main movements, finest machines and tools, transportation, painting, parts, textiles, mills, motors and cranes, functional, fractional hospitals, DC motion used to several motors fixed tracking to all of you positions. These were basic simulations given diagram separately excited shunt series IA BF F1 F2 IA A1 A2 F1 F2 IFV IA S1 S2 IA A1 A2 basic symmetric diagrams of DC motors. Okay, separately exit DC motors are connected to separately voltage sources can be controlled immediately in a shunt motors will the masters are connected in source and controlled immediately in a series motor will connect the armature current hand field fixes the armature current study equivalent circuit on DC motor armature is shown in the figure below. Figure below V equal to steady state equivalent of the DC motors output characteristics of they can be applied from motors induced voltage technique Kirchhoff voltage law around the armature circuit is given below. Internal voltage generated DC motor given by EV equal to Kj pi omega. The internal torque generated in the DC motor is given by T equal to Kj pi Ia. Cable around the armature circuit is given by Ea equal to Eb plus Ia to Rv where pi equal to flux per pole Webers. Ia equal to armature current amperes Ia equal to applied terminal voltage volts. W equal to motor speed radius and seconds. Armature back EMF volts, motor back EMF torque constant. So thank you for of all wonderful opportunity.